You are wasting money. Right now, that premium cream sitting on your bathroom shelf costs $80 for ingredients available locally for $15. There is no reason to keep doing it. I spent months digging through clinical recommendations, ingredient lists, and thousands of buyer reviews to build this ranking. 12 drugstore moisturizers and one honest countdown led me to an unexpected discovery. Number 6 stunned me when I saw its capabilities for the cost of a couple lattes. Your wallet and your skin deserve the truth. Coming in at number 12 is Pond's Cold Cream, which is an old classic proven to work. Eradicating winter dryness without a single apology is its main goal. Pond's smothers that tight, cracking, uncomfortable feeling your complexion gets in cold weather. It is rich, thick, and deeply moisturizing. It has been around long enough that your grandmother probably relied on it, which explains the lasting legacy. Heavier skin profiles might find the texture overwhelming, but for a truly parched canvas, this jar delivers. At number 11 sits L'Oréal Paris Revitalift Triple Power, surprising people every single time they hear about it. Finding retinol alongside vitamin C in a single drugstore aisle is rare. Both powerhouses work together for a fraction of high-end pricing. Your visage gets firmed, brightened, and visibly refreshed. That is when you realize the catch. Rushing the retinol process can cause irritation, which pushes this option lower on the list. For most users, this blend delivers results once requiring a department store receipt. Number 10 goes to No7 Restore and Renew, punching far above its price class. Medical professionals point to it specifically for mature users wanting a lift and real smoothing. Fine lines look softer within weeks of daily application. The mixture sits beautifully, never tugging or balling up, and it feels undeniably premium. Number 7 built their reputation on honest results at a fair cost, making Restore and Renew their strongest argument yet. Number 9 is Eucerin Advanced Repair Cream. Clinical experts recommend this tub relentlessly because of its urea content. Most people have never even heard of urea in their daily routine. It breaks through cracked, flaky areas and treats extreme dryness at the actual source rather than just coating the surface with a slick film. Healing begins immediately. The genius here involves intensive hydration for your body, with one tub providing total coverage. If your barrier refuses to hold moisture no matter what you throw at it, Eucerin ends the frustration. At number 8 sits Aveeno Calm and Restore Oat Gel Moisturizer. Redness, constant irritation, and a complexion reacting angrily to everything applied to it are struggles many people recognize. Reach for this when nothing else calms things down. Real oat extract sits at the center of the concoction, and the cooling texture hits your cheeks like instant relief. It does not feel high-end, but it fixes inflammation fast and keeps you from looking furious at the world every single time. Aveeno spent over 7 decades building trust around oat-based products, and their gel earns every bit of respect. Number 7 is e.l.f. Holy Hydration Cream. $13 is all it costs. Inside that affordable jar sits hydrating acids alongside peptides, which are 2 ingredients that luxury brands charge hundreds of dollars to include. Absorbing in seconds, the texture leaves your skin bouncy and plump and never heavy. e.l.f. built their whole identity around proving price does not dictate quality, and that is exactly why Holy Hydration is their best case yet. With a cheap price and expensive ingredients, your pores simply cannot tell the difference. Number 6 is Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel, costing around $20. What it accomplishes for that price is remarkable. Utilizing water gel technology, it hits your skin like a splash of cold liquid, absorbing within seconds with 0 grease and 0 weight. It floods the skin surface with hyaluronic acid, which holds water and keeps it locked in all day long without fail. Aesthetics experts push it constantly, and celebrities have spoken about it in broadcast interviews. Those $70 luxury gel creams your friends swear by run on almost the exact same blueprint. Neutrogena just skips the fancy packaging, which means the savings pass directly to you. It is ideal for oily and normal complexions, and leaving it off your bathroom counter makes zero sense. Number 5 is Olay Regenerist Micro-Sculpting Cream, the top anti-aging drugstore option on this list. Peptides in this jar actually signal your cells to produce more collagen. That specific protein remains responsible for keeping tissue firm and youthful. Most competitors claiming anti-aging benefits just moisturize and slap a marketing label on the box. But Olay works significantly deeper to provide a tighter jawline and smoother texture. Results, once requiring a $100 department store purchase, now sit right in aisle 4. Number 4 is Vanicream Daily Facial Moisturizer, trusted since 1975. 40-plus years of physicians sending sensitive patients directly to this brand happens because of its clean simplicity with zero fragrance or dyes. They tossed out unnecessary preservatives, and extra chemicals for marketing appeal simply do not exist here. Stripping out everything suspicious left only what actually works. If your complexion breaks out from every new experiment or scents throw your barrier into chaos, you need this. Spending years searching for a lotion that does not make things worse ends today. And costing so little almost feels unfair. Number 3 is Cetaphil DermaControl Oil-Absorbing Moisturizer. For shine-prone people, this was engineered specifically for you, hydrating deeply while simultaneously absorbing excess sebum. You no longer spend the afternoon looking like you ran a marathon indoors. Built-in SPF protection against sun damage comes standard in the bottle, offering one product handling hydration, oil control, and sun defense. Cetaphil operates as a clinic-trusted name for decades, and this creation answers a haunting question. The solution to moisturizing without making the glare worse involves absorbing it directly. If midday grease ever destroyed your confidence, grab this immediately. Number 2 is La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair. French pharmacy brands operate at a different standard, and La Roche-Posay proves it perfectly. Providing hydration for up to 48 hours means 2 full days of moisture while repairing your natural barrier after just 1 hour. Lipid-restoring compounds rebuild the protective layer, and niacinamide evens out tone while reducing redness. Together, those elements form a powerhouse that beauty experts across Europe and North America point toward with complete confidence. Sitting at number 2 makes sense because it performs at a level almost nothing else at this price can match. Number 1 is CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. Year after year, it dominates across multiple rankings, and clinical surveys consistently put this at the very top. It won the Best Overall Drugstore title across nearly every major beauty list in 2025 and swept them again in 2026. Ceramides rebuild and lock your outer barrier, while moisture magnets pull water inward, holding it tight through the whole day. It functions flawlessly for every age, demographic, and season, with zero grease and no fragrance. It is safe for kids 3 and older and recommended for people in their 80s. A single tub spans that wide range because the composition is brilliantly clean and mathematically correct. There are no gold lids or luxury packaging, just a heavy-duty moisturizer repairing damage faster and more effectively than jars costing 10 times as much. It is the clear winner with no argument. Spending a fortune for great skin is a scam, and that remains the true point of this countdown. Grab the Neutrogena Hydro Boost if you want that water gel rush making your face feel alive again. Or grab CeraVe for the ultimate barrier-repairing powerhouse on Earth at a completely logical price. Both obliterate products costing 4 times as much, and neither one leaves you guessing about effectiveness. Drop your daily go-to from these 12 in the comments right now, because I want to know. If this ranking helped your routine, hit subscribe. Next time, we go even deeper on ingredients that actually deliver, exposing the ones doing absolutely nothing.